Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Punlok Engineer channel. Today, I have the main topic that talk about the CCTV system that I take from my action after I was installed the system of security CCTV for my customer. So you see, this one is the picture of the Zoom camera model. This one is have a lot of model and brand in the Cambodia country. So I will take one brand from the Dahua version that made from the China country for review with my topic today. Okay. So this one, you see, this one has check function, right? And I will show about the DVR, digital recorder first, and then I will review on the camera about the model, about the brand name, about the specification, everything. I will detail more in my channel. Okay, let's go with me. I will explain all of you and bring all of you to the world of the camera security. Yes, welcome again everyone to the world of CCTV system. The first one, you need to know about the full meaning of the CCTV first. So I would like to tell all of you about the full meaning of the CCTV. The full meaning is closed circuit television security device that everyone calls the CCTV system that use analog camera has been around for years, and one model is with the digital camera like the IP that I say that has been used around for years. Yes. Okay, so I will explain all of you about how many device or material inside the DVR for the make the camera working well and can remote access outside with the IP public, with the local, with the P2P network, everything. I will show all of you how is the DVR and camera working. Okay, let's go with me. I will edit on the picture that is all of you understand about the point that I would like to review. Okay, let's go with me. So I have the window editor and I will choose the pens like the circle but not color blacks. I need to red color. Yeah, let me search. Yes. Actually, the CCTV work by the camera or camera is taking a constant sequence of the image that are then transmitted by the cable or wirelessly, depending on the chosen system types to the recording device and then on the display monitor, visible on individual to see the sequence of the image as a picture footage like the snapshot. Yes. So I told all of you the first definition of the DVR already. So I'm going to starting review on the symmetry inside the box of the DVR first. Yes. You know, everyone, I would like to tell the first of the cell storage everything like the brains. Yes, but cannot calculate it. It can be sell everything and has the full minimum of the storage. This one I call is HD or hard disk. I mean the HDD or full min hard disk drive. That hard disk drive is a model of brand name of Seagate and made by the Dahua, and the specification of the storage capacity is 1 TB. Yes, how about this one? And the inputs of the HDD is has two. The first is the power SATA, and the second is the that SATA data that imports of the many data from the CPU. Here the CPU, you know, the CPU is under the cooling template or cooling place that we use the water cooling about the CPU for protection when the CPU starting calculate on thinking about something with the binary code from the camera, and then it will transmit to the hard disk drive. Yes. And this one more I will show about this one is VGA import or VGA port for output the image or snap like the image or video to the monitor. Yes. And this one is buzzer for so by the alarm that has something wrong in the board, something wrong with the Ethernet, something wrong with the hard disk, everything that we alert by the buzzer like the sound. Yes. And this one is IC. This means the support of the device electronic over here. And this one is the block input of the camera that receive video from the camera and then transmit to the CPU. CPU transmit to the hard disk, everything. And this one is the battery for saving the time, date and time for transmit to the CPU and make the real time. Yes. And this one, you know, this one is the block of the controller that mean show the alarm, so the light, everything is over here. Yes. This is the internal of the DVR drive that we review on it. Actually, DVR drive is full mean digital recorder device that we use it for record about everything from every place that you want, and we use by the camera to record everything. Yes. So I will show about this one set of the installation, one set of the repairing. So before I finish the video, I would like to promotion about my service provider. Do you see? You can follow my page official Punlok engineer slash Bisbako Punlok for get more notification, a lot of the knowledge with the electronic and electrical engineering or equipment for improve yourself. And I have also the service in maintenance, installation and repairing a lot in my page. You can read, and then you can order or chat to my page directly for discuss about something that you want. Or I also receive the project that you have, a project of the camera, project MEP, project something like automation system, electrical automation system. I can also repair and fix. Yes. Please subscribe on my channel for get more knowledge. Thank you very much. See you later. Goodbye everyone.